OneKey Wallet Address Book: How to Save Contacts in OneKey Wallet. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can save contacts in OneKey Wallet. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to save contacts in OneKey Wallet, when you launch the OneKey Wallet app, you can just tap on the multiple dots icon from the top right hand side of the screen and you land on this page. From here, you can go to this option right here that says address. So go to this option called address right here. From address, to save a contact or a particular address or a recipient, what we want to do is select the option called add address right here. Now you want to choose the network. So which crypto you want to receive primarily over here, you want to select that particular network. You can choose the name of the address and paste in the destination wallet address that you want. Once you've pasted them, just click on the save button from the bottom, and that way you will have successfully saved the contacts in OneKey Wallet. This way you can save contacts in OneKey Wallet. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon as always in the next video.